Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Just want to make a short video about another product. As many of you know, Lee no longer produces the Loadmaster, and unfortunately they no longer produce this part. They still make the flipper, but of course they don't make the indexing rods anymore, which is quite unfortunate. But fortunately for you, I hired a machinist to make replacement indexing rods. And so they're not as cheap as Lee could make them, but they are listed on my eBay page. So if you want to get one and help support the channel and also get a good product. I test every single one of these before I ever ship them out. So all these have been tested. The flipper part is 3D printed. I'm not charging for that. I'm just making them free and screwing them on there. It's the same thread pattern as the standard Lee one. You can still get the flipper part from Lee, which is a plus. So if you don't like the 3D printed one and you want to get, you know, the actual ones, I think they charge like $2 or something for them. The rods are listed for $24. I know that seems extreme for one, but by the time I pay eBay's fees, the shipping to you, the cost the machine is charged, I'm only making like $5 a piece on them by the time I ship them to you. So $24 seems excessive, but I'm really not making much. It's just basically for my time. So I just want to put that out there. Thanks for watching.